Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into a topic that sparked quite a buzz in the world of photography, the highly anticipated Fujifilm X-Pro 4. This upcoming release has stirred a lot of discussion, speculation, and expectation in the photography community. From rumors about its specs to design changes, there's been no shortage of chatter, but the real question is, how much of this is true? Is the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 really going to be the next big thing in photography, or is it just another overhyped product? Let's explore the details and separate fact from fiction in this deep dive into what we know and what we don't about the Fujifilm X-Pro 4. A quick overview of the X-Pro legacy. Before we get into the specifics of the Fujifilm X-Pro 4, it's important to understand the significance of the X-Pro series. Fujifilm has built a dedicated following over the years, thanks to the distinctive look and feel of their X-Pro cameras. Known for their rangefinder-style design and hybrid viewfinders, these cameras are adored by enthusiasts who appreciate a blend of nostalgia and modern technology. The X-Pro 3, which was the last release in this line, made waves with its hidden LCD screen, its weather sealing, and the overall tactile shooting experience. With its film simulations and classic Fujifilm color science, it was a favorite among street photographers and those who loved its analog-inspired design. Despite this, the X-Pro 3 didn't manage to reach the kind of commercial success that Fujifilm had hoped for. While it found a strong niche audience, it didn't appeal to the mass market in the way Fujifilm might have expected. This raised questions about the future of the X-Pro line and whether Fujifilm would continue to push this series forward. Enter the X-Pro 4 now. Let's talk about the Fujifilm X-Pro 4. For the past few months, there's been a lot of speculation online about the potential features and launch of this next-gen camera. Enthusiasts are eagerly hoping for a high-resolution, sensor-enhanced video capabilities, and maybe even some bold design changes. Some have even dreamt of a camera that could compete with the hybrid cameras of today, like the X-H2, and bring 4K or 8K video recording into the fold. But here's where things get a little more complex. According to multiple sources close to Fujifilm's internal plans, the X-Pro 4 may not be the revolutionary upgrade some expect. In fact, there's no official release date set, and it seems highly unlikely that it will launch in 2024 or even early 2025. So, what's really going on here? The reality behind the X-Pro 4's development. What we know for sure is that Fujifilm's priorities may have shifted. The company is focusing its energy on more broadly appealing product lines, like the X-H2, which caters to a wider audience with its combination of stunning image quality, 8K video capabilities, and advanced autofocus. If the X-Pro 4 does eventually see the light of day, it will likely feature the same 40.2 MP X-Trans CMOS5 HR sensor and X Processor 5 that powers the X-H2, a camera launched back in 2022. By the time the X-Pro 4 would hit the market, these internals would be outdated by at least 3 years. While these specs are still impressive, it raises concerns about whether the X-Pro 4 will be competitive in a rapidly evolving camera market. Additionally, rumors suggest that Fujifilm may not make major design changes for this model. The X-Pro series is beloved for its retro rangefinder design, but a lack of fresh design innovation could risk the X-Pro 4 feeling outdated compared to newer, more modern-looking cameras on the market. Fujifilm's reluctance to innovate in terms of hardware could be a potential setback in an industry where consumers increasingly demand fresh aesthetics and cutting-edge interfaces. A shift in focus. Where is Fujifilm heading? It's also worth noting a broader strategic shift at Fujifilm. The company seems to be moving away from its focus on the APS-C market and is putting more resources into premium, high-margin categories. While the GFX medium format line is gaining traction and offering incredible image quality, it appears Fujifilm is pulling back from niche models like the X-Pro series. For those hoping the X-Pro 4 will be the next big thing, this may not be the news you were hoping for. Fujifilm's focus is likely going to remain on products that can reach a wider market, leaving cameras like the X-Pro 4 as more of a niche product. Is the X-Pro 3 still worth it? While the X-Pro 4 may not be coming anytime soon, It's important to remember that the X-Pro 3 is still a highly capable camera. If you're drawn to the hybrid OVF-EVF experience, film simulations, and tactile analog-inspired controls, the X-Pro 3 is a solid choice. It's still available from many retailers, and despite its age, it offers a shooting experience that's difficult to replicate with other cameras in its class. The bigger picture: innovation in the photography world. The Fujifilm X-Pro 4 might eventually be released, but based on current insights, it's unlikely to be the game-changer that many are hoping for. However, that doesn't mean the camera landscape is any less exciting. Fujifilm continues to innovate in other areas, like the XH2 and GFX systems. These cameras are setting new standards in image quality, performance, and versatility, and they offer fantastic alternatives for photographers looking to push their creative limits. It's also important to recognize that rumors and speculation can often lead to unrealistic expectations. While it's fun to imagine what the next big thing in photography might look like, it's crucial to ground those expectations in reality. The X-Pro 4 may not be the next flagship camera we're all hoping for, but the Fujifilm lineup still has plenty to offer, from the XH2 for top-tier APS-C performance to the GFX medium-format cameras for incredible image quality. Final thoughts in conclusion: the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 is not the revolutionary leap many had hoped for. The X-Pro series might not be at the forefront of Fujifilm's future plans, and if the X-Pro 4 ever makes an appearance, it may not live up to the high expectations built around it. But that doesn't mean there aren't fantastic options out there. With the XH2, X100V, and GFX medium-format cameras, Fujifilm continues to push the envelope in different ways. If you're looking for a camera that offers versatility, outstanding image quality, and innovative features, there are plenty of choices already available that will take your photography to the next level. Thanks for tuning into this deep dive on the Fujifilm X-Pro 4. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for the latest updates on cameras, gear, and industry news. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always up to date with our content. Stay inspired, stay creative, and keep buzzing with technology.